Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another loaf of bread. Yes, bread. Last night was Halloween and we took the kids out trick-or-treating. It was fun! So we got a lot of candy. And I thought, what if I made a loaf of bread using ramen and Halloween candy? Alright, that's what we'll do. What kind of ramen are we gonna use? I figured I'd cook up a pack of this. It's got some acidity, some tanginess, you know. So yeah, I guess we better get to it.
Happy Halloween!
The bread is done. It's sitting right next to me. I suppose I should remove it. It smells like some kind of dessert bread. It's very moist, sweaty bread. I think the scent is mostly being given off by the Sour Patch Kids. It smells good though, kind of like a fruit bread. Wow, would you look at that? I'm impressed. Check this out. So as you can see, down here, that's a piece of the vegetables. Here's like, it's totally speckled with candy and junk. I guess I just have to try it. Here we go, cheers. It's kind of sweet. It's very dense. It really has no flavor of kimchi that I can detect. It's also not sour. Oh, wait a second. I hit a sour gummy thing, and that right there, that's weird. And here's this little piece, I'll try that. Yeah, that was a Whopper. It's a lot like banana bread, but it doesn't taste like banana. It just every once in a while, it tastes like raspberry stuff you would fill into a donut. Well, what do I do with this stuff? I mean, I'm not gonna make a sandwich and put like a bunch of mayonnaise and meat and cheese on it. That would not work. What should I do? I got an idea. So we made a white bread recipe, put a bunch of Halloween candy in it, a block of Nongshim Kimchi Ramen, all the seasonings from that, and a ton of sugar. And then we made French toast with it with 1 egg, chocolate milk, and cinnamon and sugar, and a little bit of butter on top. Let's give it a try. There's syrup on there too. This is incredibly good. I am absolutely floored. This is a win. I tell you, I didn't think those Sour Patch Kids would work out, but they did work out extremely well. It's almost like a raspberry filling is in this bread. Wow, this is really, really good. The last recipe, I said, don't do this. This recipe, I know you guys have leftover Halloween candy from your kids. Try making this. This is really good. If you don't have a bread machine, go to your local thrift store. Buy one for 20 bucks or less. You'll be glad you did. You can make this. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Experiment. Have a good one. Bye.